Hello, it's me, Sierra with WTI, and you cannot convince me to stop wearing fanny packs. I am all about them, and this one comes with an attachable leash. It is super convenient when you're running. It is hands-free, so you don't have to worry about your pup running off and tugging at your arm. My dog Nevada is a strong girl, but she can pull as much as she wants, run as fast as she wants, because now I have this and it clips right at my waist so I can run with her. And that stretch, look at that, in the elastic makes it so nice. You feel like she can run without getting jerked back. I love these extra handles right on the back of the leash that you can grab onto and right at the front so you can control how long you want this to be. The fanny pack itself is super spacious. You can keep everything secure in there. There's two little pockets. I put the little baggies in one. You can put your keys in, it fits it, and then it zips right back up. I love my new sleek and practical leash and fanny pack. And that is just my point of view.